What's up, SunRaes? Welcome back to the channel. It's Rae. If you're new here, welcome. Today I am going to be sharing with you some of my favorite clarifying shampoos. As you know, as a natural, we use a lot of oils and butters and gels and raw oils and all the things on our hair. And with that being said, that can lead to buildup if we're not cleansing properly. So one way to make sure that you don't get buildup is to clarify your hair, and you want to do that not every week, but somewhere around maybe once a month, maybe once every month and a half. You need to decide how frequently you do it for your hair, but you definitely don't want to overuse a clarifying shampoo. Okay, so I do have a few clarifying shampoos here that are my favorites that I use periodically when I feel like I need to clean the buildup off my hair, or I've just been doing a whole lot of packing on of products. And the winter time is one of those times where I tend to pack on a little bit thicker products just to, you know, try to keep the hair moisturized because of the elements. So yeah, I want to go ahead and share with you a few of my favorites. Okay, so one of my favorite clarifying shampoos is the Pattern Cleansing Shampoo. It looks like this, and guys, I really do like this, and I am considering getting a larger bottle. I have this because it came in their travel size, and I've used it a few times. You only need a little bit of shampoo actually goes a long way, so you don't need to overdo it with clarifying shampoos. But because this is so little and it's almost gone, I haven't used it recently. It's been over there tucked, but I definitely didn't want to leave it out. I feel like this is a really good clarifying shampoo. It did not strip my hair, but it definitely made my hair feel clean. I will try to link these shampoos that I list down below in case you want to get your hands on it. So yeah, if you haven't tried the Pattern Clarifying Shampoo, it's a really good one in my opinion, and I would recommend it. Another clarifying shampoo that I really like is the Texture ID Curl Clarifying Shampoo. This is their old packaging. Texture ID has revamped their packaging, and hopefully they didn't change the ingredients. Okay, so I haven't tried this clarifying shampoo in the new packaging. I'm hoping it's the same, but this is one that I really like. This used to be my favorite clarifying shampoo until I tried some of the others, and this one is still good. This one is more affordable, so this one is one that you can find at Sally Beauty if you have one in your area. If you don't, you definitely can order from Sally Beauty, and it's going to be a little bit more affordable than the Pattern and another one that I am going to share with you. But it's really good. You get a lot. It's 12 fluid ounces. This used to be like $9.99. I think it still is. I'm not sure. Again, I'll try to put the prices down below in the description box if I can, but it's still pretty affordable for 12 fluid ounces. And it's another one that cleanses the hair, but it doesn't strip. It gives you a nice lather. So yeah, if you're looking for something possibly on the ground and a little bit more affordable, this may be one you want to pick up and try. Another clarifying shampoo that I love, that I talk about all the time, is the Nature's Little Secret Lemon and Rosemary Clarifying Shampoo. You guys know I stocked up on this during their sales, so that's why you see me talk about this one a little bit more than the other ones, because Nature's Little Secret is, for one, it's good. Okay, it's good. That's why I talk about it a lot. But also, they're always having sales, so you can definitely find this for a reasonable price. It's not even that expensive as it is. This one is 8 fluid ounces. Her prices are like right there. Not too expensive, but not real inexpensive either. But this one is really good. This one is another one that cleanses the hair, doesn't strip the hair, has a nice lather, a little bit goes a long way. It has a spout, so if you need to get right to your scalp, this will get it, especially if you have really dense hair. Sometimes this is really nice to get down in that scalp, because sometimes it's hard to get to it when you have real dense hair. Also, this one has lemon and rosemary in it, so it's going to help to soothe the scalp and relieve any issues that you may have. So it's really, really, really good. And yeah, guys, if you haven't tried Nature's Little Secret, I'd say give them a try. I will link this one down in the description box as well. I also have a discount code to get it at a later date and still save a little bit of money. But yeah, this one is a good one. And then guys, last but not least, a clarifying shampoo that I love. I don't have it up here, but it is the Eden Body Works Tea Tree Clarifying Shampoo. I'll put a picture of it here. I love that shampoo as well. It's another one that's affordable. It's one, again, that you can find at Sally Beauty, but I believe you can find it other places as well. It is also, I believe, under $10. So, or $10.99, close to it, something like that. But it's a good one. It's another one that has tea tree in it that's going to help stimulate that scalp and relieve any issues that you may have. Give you that little tingly feeling. It also lathers really well, and it also does not strip my hair. So, but again, guys, normally when I'm using clarifying shampoos, I want to let you know this is after I have used a lot of thick products, a lot of gels. I think I may have some buildup and things like that. So when you have those things on your hair, a lot of times the clarifying shampoos won't strip as much as if you didn't have anything on your hair but possibly a leave-in or a mousse. Then you may feel your hair a little bit more stripped. So I just want to put that out there. So for me, these don't strip my hair. I have used them twice, you know, 2 washes before, and I still didn't get stripped hair. But everybody's hair is different, everybody's climate is different, everybody, whatever they're putting in their hair is different. So these are ones that I like because I feel that they cleanse well without stripping. Okay, that's my experience. I just want to preface that. Okay, so yes, those are the 4 clarifying shampoos that I really enjoy, that I have used multiple times and I can vouch for. There are some other ones that I use that are good as well, but I don't have them on hand to show you. If you're interested, Adjoa Blue Tansy is a really good one that's pretty moisturizing as well. If you like Adjoa, that is another one that's good. So that's an honorable mention in case you're interested. All right, guys, that is it for my clarifying shampoos. If you have some clarifying shampoos that you really enjoy, jot them down below so those looking at the comments can learn from you and maybe pick up something that they really enjoy. And yeah, guys, that's it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.